In this video, we will talk about some useful words to describe a person's body. Let's begin.
These exercises will keep you supple.
Supple people can move and bend their body very easily.
She's a lithe young gymnast.
If you are lithe, you can move and bend your body easily and gracefully.
She is extremely nimble on her feet.
Nimble people are able to move quickly and easily.
Those trousers make you look very slender.
If you say someone is slender, you mean this person is attractively thin and graceful.
She works very hard to stay slim.
If you describe someone as slim, you mean this person has a well-shaped body.
She is willowy and stylish.
If you say someone is willowy, you mean this person is tall, thin, and graceful.
Mia is a slight girl.
If you say someone is slight, you mean this person has a fairly thin and delicate body.
She's a diminutive figure beside her husband.
If you describe someone as diminutive, you mean this person is very small.
Though she is tiny, she has a loud voice.
If someone is tiny, this person is extremely small.
I saw a tall, angular woman standing there.
If you describe someone as angular, you mean this person is very thin.
Amanda has a bony face.
Someone who has a bony face or bony hands has a very thin face or very thin hands, with very little flesh covering the bones.
Donna thinks she is too skinny.
If you say someone is skinny, you mean this person is extremely thin.
His body is wiry and athletic.
If someone is wiry, this person is rather thin but is also strong.
The boxer is tall and sinewy.
If someone is sinewy, this person has a thin body and strong muscles.
Bradley has a lean body.
If somebody has a lean body, this person is thin but looks strong and healthy.
Edward is a corpulent man.
By describing the person as corpulent, you can avoid using the word fat when referring to someone overweight.
Stephanie is growing rather stout.
Stout is a mild word in place of rather fat. Jacob is a portly old gentleman.
By describing the person as portly, you can avoid using the word fat when referring to an overweight older man.